Hi, this is Maria from the Health Way channel, and today I'm going to talk about the ways to treat general skin diseases. Are you tired of constantly hiding behind makeup due to skin problems? Get ready for a revolution. Let's dive into the exciting world of modern dermatology, where science meets nature to bring about transformative healing for various skin diseases. This video is your ultimate guide to achieving flawless health and beauty for your precious canvas, your skin. Understanding skin diseases. Ignite your enthusiasm about skin health. Let's demystify skin diseases, a topic that affects millions worldwide, making our skin not just a passive canvas, but rather an active participant in our overall health journey. More than 1 billion people suffer from skin diseases across the globe. Yes, you read that right, more than a seventh of Earth's population. This fact underlines how pivotal it is for each one of us to gain knowledge and understanding about various skin disorders. Curious? Then buckle up. We're going full throttle into unraveling intricate details about different types of skin ailments and their implications on one's general health. From acne-prone teenage years to sudden adult-onset eczema or unpredictable psoriasis outbreaks, learning about these ailments could be just as exhilarating as solving a complex puzzle. And remember, each piece brings us closer to comprehending and managing these often mysterious conditions better. Recognizing common skin diseases. Have you ever taken the time to truly appreciate your skin? This incredibly versatile material is not only responsible for protecting our bodies but also enables us to communicate with the world through touch. However, like every superhero, it has its Achilles heel, and one of these weaknesses lies in its susceptibility to a myriad of skin diseases. From the excruciating itching brought on by eczema to the disturbing aesthetic changes inflicted by psoriasis, common skin ailments can wreak havoc on our lives if left unmanaged. Understanding these diseases isn't just reserved for health professionals. Everyone should have a basic grasp of them. Knowledge is power, after all, and when armed with this tool, you may even find yourself helping someone else identify an issue they weren't even aware existed. Tune into your biggest advocate, which you literally wear on your sleeve, your skin. Non-prescription treatments for skin disorders. Are you eager to explore the world of non-prescription treatments for skin diseases? Well, buckle up, because we're about to jump into some fantastic discoveries that will liberate your skin and boost your health. Imagine harnessing Mother Nature's own resources, each rich with therapeutic elements that work together to bring harmony back into your skin. Have you ever considered green tea for those troublesome acne outbreaks? Or how about using chamomile to cool down that irritating eczema flare-up? It gets more fascinating. You'll find honey has amazing antimicrobial qualities, perfect for combating a host of skin conditions. Often underestimated in skincare regimens, lifestyle adjustments like hydration and a balanced diet also play an instrumental role in maintaining a healthy glow. Yes, from teas to tinctures, and even tweaks in daily habits, these non-prescription alternatives transform the struggle against skin diseases into an excitingly rejuvenating journey. Prescription therapies for skin conditions. Unveiling the magic of modern medicine, top-notch prescription therapies are now revolutionizing the world of skincare. It's an exciting time to explore what these treatments have to offer for managing various skin diseases and enhancing overall health. From psoriasis to atopic dermatitis, cutting-edge science is instrumental in creating powerful strategies aimed at combating such debilitating conditions, offering nothing short of a lifeline for many grappling with persistent skin worries. Dermatologists worldwide are unlocking new horizons through advanced prescription therapies. They're not just treating symptoms but delving deep into their roots. These prescribed medications work from the inside out, not only curing the disease but also fortifying the skin barrier against future troubles. Indubitably, such innovative endeavors open up a new realm where we reinvent skin health in its truest sense. It is indeed phenomenal how far we have come. Natural remedies for skin diseases. If you are seeking nature's bounty to tackle your skin diseases, you've come to the right place. With their diverse range of powerful healing properties, plant-based constituents make compelling allies in boosting your skin health. You can potentially bid goodbye to those relentless bouts with acne, eczema, or dermatitis by tapping into the goodness of green tea, avocado, and honey, just a few healing powerhouses that have exhibited significant promise. Taking center stage in natural remedies is green tea with its overflowing treasure trove of antioxidants. It has been praised for its efficacy against psoriasis and dandruff. Yes, you heard right. Green tea isn't just fantastic as a calming beverage but as an ace up your sleeve against skin diseases too. Avocado and honey aren't far behind either. Loaded with essential fatty acids, avocados help maintain skin elasticity, while honey's antibacterial qualities can keep those dreaded acne breakouts at bay. Unleash the magic of these wonder ingredients on your skin troubles and wear a radiant glow that comes only from great health. With the rise of pharmacy, using farm-grown produce for pharmacy-like benefits, wellness enthusiasts are diving headfirst into this vibrant world where healthy food choices double as medicine chests, a concept that is innovative yet grounded in age-old wisdom. Embrace this refreshing perspective on health and let Mother Nature become your best collaborator in battling skin diseases. Lifestyle changes to improve skin health. Altering your lifestyle can make an extraordinary difference in enhancing skin health, with benefits far exceeding the mere cosmetic. Imagine stepping out every day, feeling sensational about your rejuvenated, glowing skin. Believe it or not, even minor tweaks to your daily routine can significantly diminish susceptibility to skin diseases and promote overall health. Staying hydrated is a wonderful potion for radiant skin. The simple habit of drinking plenty of water flushes out toxins and aids in maintaining elasticity, leaving your skin looking younger and healthier. Additionally, consuming nutritious fruits rich in antioxidants, green leafy veggies packed with vitamins goes hand in hand with removing dullness from the skin while strengthening it against potential damage or diseases. Optimize these changes by pairing them with regular exercise, which bolsters blood circulation, leading to nourished and vibrant-looking skin. Life patterns such as smoking drastically increase the risk of premature aging and a myriad of skin diseases. Breaking away from these habits will dramatically transform your cutaneous well-being over time. Another key perspective involves skincare products. Choosing those devoid of harmful chemicals further shelters your remarkable natural armor skin. Remember that health radiates from within to the body covering we behold as skin. Embrace these healthy habits for optimal well-being beyond just aesthetics. After all, a happy soul results in a happy glow. Managing and treating your skin disease. Dancing through the ecstasy of a sparkling cascade, picture your skin revitalized and rejuvenated in its full glory, unhindered by burdensome skin diseases. Unfathomably complex and incredibly distinctive, our largest organ, our skin, doesn't just link us to outer beauty. It is intimately connected with our health status as well. In this neon period of scientific advancement, managing and treating your skin disease can be a riveting exploration rather than a journey of dread. Throwing off the traditional cloaks of fear and anguish associated with skin diseases, let's embrace ourselves with cheerful optimism. The prospect might seem daunting now, but remember that every beach starts with a single grain of sand. Just like the unique flavors combined together to make a delicious dish captivating to the senses, individual attention given to different aspects like diet, exercise, or sleep patterns combines for successful management and effective treatment of various skin conditions. This homecoming back to your body holds promising prospects that inspire joy rather than terror. In this charismatic ride towards healthier skin, reshaping outworn attitudes significantly pulls you ahead. Instead of witnessing this as an arduous battle against disease, why not explore it as an exciting opportunity to entrust glorious vigor back into life's canvases, our thriving skins? Charging ahead on this thrilling pursuit towards optimal health is bound to unwrap scintillating tales where these precious membranes reclaim their rightful luminosity. Thanks for watching. Wait for our next video, which is about acne. Subscribe for more videos. If you enjoy watching this video, like us and leave us a comment below. Happy Halloween!